Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio. In this tutorial we're gonna have a special guest, Paolo. He is my footwork sensei. He's gonna teach you how to do an easy footwork pattern and how to evolve it to make it more advanced and original. If you will need more help for your breaking, check out my Patreon link in the description.
One, two, three, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Always remember that the purpose of a tutorial is to give you a general understanding of how a move could be learned. But each move can be mastered in many different ways and there is no perfect tutorial for it. Each person has a different body shape, skills level, strength and flexibility. What could be useful for you could be totally useless for someone else and the other way around. What I try to do with my Patreon is to offer you a clear and customized plan to follow that works for you. If you only rely on tutorials, there is a high chance you are missing some points or doing some extra steps you don't need to do. If you want to have individual feedback, a specific training plan, or exclusive content, check out my Patreon link in the description and choose the monthly plan that fits you best. Remember that you can always cancel or change plan. Thanks to Paolo, I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the description, make sure to follow him. If you need more help for your breaking, check out my Patreon link in the description and see you next time with a new tutorial. Yo ninjas!